Pradesh,
black girl,
Andhra Pradesh,
white girl,
Assam,
grandson,
Bihar,
girl,
Chhattisgarh,
buffalo,
Goa,
girl,
Gujarat,
lion,
Haryana,
black girl,
Himachal Pradesh,
leopard,
Jharkhand,
elephant,
Karnataka,
elephant,
Kerala,
elephant,
Madhya Pradesh,
deer,
Maharashtra,
squirrel,
Manipur,
sangay,
Meghalaya,
leopard,
Mysore,
sarah,
Nagaland,
little,
Odisha,
sabar,
Punjab,
black girl,
Rajasthan,
Indra,
Sikkim,
panda,
Tamilnadu,
car,
Telangana,
deer,
Tripura,
Rangamagi,
Uttar Pradesh,
deer,
Dragon,
deer,
West Bengal,
fishing cat.
Okay, thanks for Team Kalam and Kizzards School Management for bringing us the opportunity for giving a chance to present their skills. So initially she got selected for this one by identifying the flashcards. Then we had given a topic for the state animals of India. So first we made her understand and learn about which are the different animals, and we thought to match it against different states of India, that too in the alphabetical order of the states. And we trained her by giving 5 itineraries per day, and that's how she could able to pick the entire list of state animals. So initially we thought with the laptop, but in order to reduce the screen time, we switched over to the old school method of paper. So now she is able to identify and tell these are all the state animals of India. And thanks once again for giving us the opportunity and for finding the talent in Gaya Devadas. Thank you. So I would like to say thanks to Kizzards Preschool and Kalam World Record team. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.